You must be thinking to yourself, what is that thing? Well, I call it the IGBot 1 prototype. And I'll show you what it does. Here's a quick drawing I did to kind of figure out where all the parts would go on this simple build. And it is called the IGBot 1 prototype for a reason. It only has a liking mechanism. And in the future, I hope to do another build that would have a scrolling mechanism. But I'm gonna show you how I did this part. If you found this video interesting, please consider subscribing. I hope to see you in the next one.